Ahmed Rafiq, a veteran of the language movement, passed away tonight at Dhaka's Bardem Hospital. He was 96. Rafiq had been on life support and doctors pronounced him dead around 10:12 p.m., according to Ismail Sadi, a Prague University teacher who monitored his health. He was born on September 12 in 1929 in Brahmanbaria. Rafiq lost his wife in 2006 and the couple had no children. He led a life dedicated to knowledge, amassing a vast collection of books and authoring more than 100 works, including poetry, essays, research, and historical writings on the language movement. His latest publications, released in 2023 at the Equishe Book Fair, were Bharat Pakistan Bangladesh Kotha, Shomoy Prakasan, and the essay collection Shilpo সংস্কৃতির বৈশিষ্ট্য এই সময় প্রকাশন. A respected Rabindra scholar, Rafik was recognized as an authority on Tagore studies in both Bangladesh and India. Kolkata's Tagore Research Institute honored him with the title Rabindra Tattacharya in recognition of his lifelong contributions. He received the Ekushe Padok, the Bangladesh Academy Award, and numerous other accolades.